What is up, YouTube? Man, we got a good one for you today. Thanks for stopping by Jimmy's Barbecue, loyal subscribers. And though, if you're not a subscriber, hey, thanks for stopping by. Man, our topic today is charcoal. Nah, I'm not firing up the UDS. Nope, I'm not firing up the Weber. I'm not even putting charcoal in my pellet grill. However, we are using a pellet grill. And yes, we're going to be cooking with charcoal. Yeah, charcoal pellets. Pit Boss has released a line of charcoal pellets, and we're going to put it through its paces. I'm helping out with a big cookout, and the best opportunity to see how these are going to fare. Got a lot of food to cook. I don't have to worry about a fire dying, because as long as my hopper's full, my cooker's going to keep cooking. So, hey, let's get to work. Check this out. Now, the thing I found about the charcoal pellets is that when I'm looking at the temperature here, pretty much got it set at the highest setting. Mine only goes up to 400. If I had regular pellets in there, I can get it up to about 425. And with the charcoal pellets, it's not burning quite as hot as the wood pellets were. That's the only thing. As far as the smell, you're still getting that wood fire smell, you know, like wood burning, because it is charcoal, and charcoal is the essence of wood. So yeah, it's just at the point now when we get ready to flip some burgers, let you get a look at that, as well as I got some brats going. Other than that, not too bad. I was more curious about the color. I will say this, getting the food actually looks like I cooked it on a charcoal grill. And you'll see here when I go to flip it. All right, we're at the point now where we can flip these burgers. Just like with any other, with a regular, it's like with a regular charcoal grill. You know where your hot spots are. Same thing with this pellet grill. Smoker, that is. Mine don't get hot enough to sear, but I will say this, with the charcoal pellets looking very nice, like I said, knowing the hot spots, I can shift stuff around and get everything evenly colored. Hey, I'm pretty impressed with these charcoal pellets. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, not bad. I think I had a regular charcoal fire going. The color and getting on this meat. Very impressed. This is not a Pit Boss. This is my little Members Mark pellet grill. So the Pit Boss has a little vent that you can open up to get the flame broil effect on the meat. Look at that. I mean, this is awesome. But then again, I'm taking advantage of the hot spots. Those spots look kind of different, so we'll get some of those in the light so you can see. Look at that. It's wonderful. And I had the brat sitting right over the where the grease would flow into the grease catcher. But man, those look awesome. Yep. Using the Pit Boss charcoal pellets, very nice. I highly recommend it. I just tried it out with some burgers and hot dogs. I'm gonna do a video. Of course, you know me, I'm gonna throw a brisket in there and see what's gonna, how it's gonna affect that. But stay tuned. There'll be more to come. What I tell you, the results are in. Man, I am impressed. Very impressed with the color, the food, the burgers, the brats. Hey, man, that stuff looked like I cooked it on a charcoal grill, and you saw it came right off my Members Mark pellet grill. Man, and I told you I ain't gonna call it thing a grill no more. It's a smoker. As I said before, I couldn't get it up to my highest settings, 400. So I had it on the highest setting. But one thing I did notice is that with these charcoal pellets, it doesn't burn as hot as I would with the wood pellets. But hey, that's not a deal. It doesn't kill the deal. Hey, they did their job. Very impressed with the color, the quality, you know, how the outcome of the food, the cook. And for you tailgaters, I'm telling you, man, pellet grills are the way to go. You're going to be cooking a lot of stuff. You ain't got to worry about restarting a new batch of charcoal to keep your fire going and stuff. Man, as long as that hopper's got pellets, she's going to cook. And man, I'm just excited because you know what's to come. I'm going to put it through its paces. I'm going to see what else we could put in there and how it's going to come out. So we got more to come. Like I said, I got a ton of content for the last 3 months that's going to be coming your way. So subscribers, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe, show some love, hit that like button. You can check us out on our other social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And feel free to stop by our website, getjimmysbbq.com. We do have products available. Hey, we're going to keep them flames burning.